Mount Pinatubo erupted in 1991 and was one of the largest and most explosive eruptions of the 20th century.
The volcano is located in the islands of Luzon in the Philippines, which is located at the continent of Asia.
According to the geologic timescale, the volcano is 1.1 million years old. Mount Pinatubo is a subduction volcano formed by Eurasian plate and Philippine mobile belt.
There was a buildup of magma over the course of 600 years old, and this increased pressure before a minor explosion occurred which formed a lava dome on the summit of the volcano. The dome grew for 5 days until the volcano began to violently erupt. There were several earthquakes that happened and on 4 separate occasions, but one in particular had a magnitude of 7.8, which is said to be the factor of the reawakening of Mount Pinatubo.
Mount Pinatubo is a part of Zambia's mountain range, which is a stratovolcano. Stratovolcano means that it is built up of alternate layers of lava and ash. The eruption lasted for 9 hours and caused many other hazards, such as earthquakes, mudslides, and avalanches. This chart represents the social, environmental, and economic impact of the eruption of Mount Pinatubo.
The event left more than 200,000 people homeless. Many people lived on Mount Pinatubo because it was a good source for rice paddies and sugarcane fields. However, many people were displaced and many of the fields were destroyed due to environmental hazards such as avalanches. The cost for caring for evacuees, including the construction of evacuation camps and relocation centers, was at least 2.5 billion pesos, which is translated to $93 million in the US during the years of 1991 and 1992. Diseases also broke out in evacuation camps, and the continuing mudflows in the area caused additional deaths, bringing the total death toll to 722 people. The eruption cost $700 million in damage, $100 million which was damage to 16 aircrafts flying at the time of the eruption, and $250 million in property, with the rest a combination of agriculture, forestry, and land.
Mount Pinatubo impacted much of the environment locally, regionally, and globally. A storm on the northeast side of Mount Pinatubo caused the ash to mix with the water vapor and create tephra. This caused Mount Pinatubo to release 15 to 30 million tons of sulfur dioxide gas, and it spread as far as the Indian subcontinent. The eruption affected the atmospheric circulation patterns and the amount of solar radiation reaching the Earth.
As water from precipitation and rivers and streams come in contact with ash deposits from the volcano, it spread throughout the environment and caused mudflows. With the release of sulfur dioxide, it also caused the global temperatures to drop about 1 degree in Fahrenheit. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, after more than 5 years of the eruption, the effects of Mount Pinatubo is still visible to this day.
Mount Pinatubo affected the four spheres, which include the atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and geosphere.
These are the fun facts we found about Mount Pinatubo.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video.
Thank you.